Hi everyone, if you are like my friends who are still confused with what a call option is, well, I've put together this video to show you what it means with clear and simple explanation. Hi, my name is Lily and I am an option fanatic. I hope to bring value to you in this video. Have you ever Googled to find out what a call option is, and you find that it is a right to buy a share at an agreed strike price? But isn't there two parties to a call option? So does it mean that the seller also has the right to sell his shares? Well, I'll come to that later. But as a buyer of a call options, basically you have the right to call for the shares at any time before the expiration of the contract. Therefore, as a buyer of the call option, you have total control over the purchase of the stock when the stock moves in your favor. As a seller, however, you are bound by the option contract and you do not have any right, but you are obligated to deliver your side of the promise. So if a buyer exercises his right, you as a seller must deliver your promise, that is, deliver your shares to the buyer. So, as a buyer, can I go and acquire the shares? Yes, absolutely. You have total control over the purchase of the shares, remember? So you can choose to buy, that is, acquire the shares, or you can choose not to acquire the shares. If you want to acquire the shares, you exercise the contract, the option contract before the expiry date. Yeah. So again, if you're the buyer of a call option, when you exercise the contracts, basically you are telling the seller, hey seller, I want my shares. So the seller would have to release the shares that is in his hand to you as a buyer, and you as a buyer would have to acquire the shares at the agreed strike price, and you have to pay the seller for the newly acquired shares. I hope this video has brought you value. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.